In front of me is OPPO K13x, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to tap on Google. Then click on All Services. Scroll again and tap on Autofill with Google here. Now click on Google Password Manager and tap on any password you wish to edit. Enter your screen lock. Hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. When you finished, select Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!